Hi friends, hello doston. In this video, you will find the possible next movement for Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow. If you are a swing trader or positional or intraday, you need to know what is the next movement of Nifty and Bank Nifty. In this video, you will provide what all the key levels to look into based on the price action so that you can go long and short. You can use any instrument based on your risk capacity. The references are derived based on these factors. The trend is analyzed by 2-hour chart. The support and resistance are derived based on 30 minutes. So for tomorrow, you will have a plan and you will execute either in 5 minutes or 10 minutes. So let's get into the chart. So on the Nifty chart, from based on end of the day, the trend is in a range bound. There is no trend. It is clearly not upside or downside. So the key levels are listed as per the support and resistance. Once the resistance at 15,252 is taken, then you can go long on Nifty. Until then, there is no trade with the stop loss 15,210. So the target is given for long side is 15,391. Same when the price is broken 15,134, you can go short with the stop loss 15,199 for a target 15,136. So until the price goes above or below the provided level, there is no trade. So coming to the Bank Nifty also in a range bound. So we have to wait for a price to go beyond 37,012. Then you can initiate a trade with the stop loss 36,920. Same until the price is not broken 36,864, there is no short trade. So once the price is taken, just go for a short selling with stop loss 36,920. So these are the key levels to look for tomorrow. So always use a trailing stop loss. Trailing stop loss is based on the time frame you have taken, either 5 minutes or 10 minutes. So when the price is closed above or below the previous candle, you need to close it, either long or short. You can refer the key levels along with the stop loss with the target. So from today's support and resistance with the price action, the risk reward is really good for tomorrow. You can initiate a trade based on the levels provided. So thank you for watching the video. We will be providing Nifty and Bank Nifty levels on daily basis. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon.